Hi friends, this is the retired old monk and today we are with the Micromax Infinity N12. In this video we are going to talk about the device and this will be the hands-on video. We will talk about something in the features and also the benchmark of the device, how it scores around and what are the features in this device. Now talking about the device, it comes with a notch. Here you can see a notch is little bit bigger. It has a thick notch, but it comes with the infinity display, which means that it has a less bezel-less display. And talking about the back panel, it comes with a plastic body, Micromax written in the back. It comes with a dual AI camera setup where the dual camera comes with the AI enabled. It also has a LED flash at the back. The dual camera is 13 plus 5 megapixel and there's a fingerprint sensor also mounted at the back. So this is what we are getting in this back. The device looks pretty much similar what we have seen in the Vivo Y95, though the device is coming with a different specs, so we will talk about this also. And here you can see on the side there is a power button and also the volume rocker key. Talking about the slots, what we are getting in the top, you are getting the SIM card slot, which is the dual SIM card slot, and a micro SD card slot to expand your memory. Talking about the bottom here, what you are getting, it is the 3.5mm jack with micro USB charging slot and the speaker grills. So this is overall we are getting with the device. Here is the benchmark score where you can see the Antutu benchmark score what we are getting. Talking about the display, it comes with a 6.1 inch SD plus display, which is a IPS LCD. It has a processor which is octa-core processor Helio P22, which we have seen earlier in the Lenovo K9. This is a MediaTek processor. Talking about the RAM, it has a 3GB of RAM, 32GB of expandable storage. Talking about the OS, it is running on Android 8.1 Oreo OS, which is a pure skin. Definitely there is no bloatware in the device. It has a 4000 mAh battery. We are still not sure that the charging adapter supports the fast charging or not. But this is what we are getting in the device. This is not a retail unit, this is a review unit, so definitely there will be a little changes. As far as the device is concerned, it has a 16 megapixel front camera. Talking about the rear camera, it is a dual AI rear camera, 13 plus 5 megapixel. Now the important factor for the device will be the price point. The price point what I am expecting is 9,000. This is all what we have with the Micromax Infinity N12. This at the rate I signing off. Please like the video, share the video and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.